Rituko ni Ramisi chitariki mirongo ibiri na isano mutinyu gatanu mwaka w'igihumbi bibiri na mirongo ibiri na isatu amangana maya ase Chinsa isano na ibiri bunaendete gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii keronse meretu niwendete gutwara rituko ryao ritweru andonsi asoberete onerie baria bene gukwaria ni asenjera ya bene uramanya naragendete gwateka ime na isiko ya Gusii abone keronte bete chingongo nye chense irianyi moja sugusu amo nabosongo namanga ndakorekana ime na isiko ya Gusii anene ritiko lya lero sensemeri ya Nairobi gosase amagaji gosase sensemeri ya DCI ni gobono yabethereirie abanyanyimbo kuruta amarioki yokurusia mariga sensemeyo anene ekero omubwatani gosuyuka beire omurai bwensemo ya mungiki aika sensemeri ekera bantu baika sensemeri bari kote abuna igorero munyakiro goito yeyira abanyanyimbo ko baturubania gutumeka ebintu biri bikorusi gose amarioki yokurusi amariga na mangari dokorekana ime na isiko ya Gusii karaba Kenya bandate komoche serikali ya Kenya kwanza asokwenda gote abuna oikechi kobetheria abakenya gwakani bango ere igoro mono ayo na ali agenda dokorekana ime na isiko ya Gusii konende kaba monenche ikomwelio eringo manyina nali agenda dokorekana ase orogongoro lirwa shakahora ekaro umurai gose umuwasiri bolendi bo imekidure kindigi anyarire gakoteba naragenda dokorekana asensemi ayungati yali gochiko kwa senjera yoko yachuta asumuga sobono kabena inchigo ikomo reka tukwadera nacho shouta kuru asensemi umuntu bamanyerelio ekara bugari nyanja makwene kunagochire wetera senjera yeli yemo nechibicha senjera yoboikeranu eliane Brighton Makori. Haye Chinsa Isano na Ibere bono ni tugaja korwasi county ya Nyamira anenase kamberugie county iyo asebona bakagerwa batatu abari basoerere gose bakagire goikarani oboiti asensemo ya nyamakoroto asomugaka nomongina oye banyaride bagoitwa giresi amo na morema nigobona bakagirwa banyara bagoikiwa sekambero kya Nyamira bosi bumuna chebina just Winfrida Okwanya ase abatatu banyara bagokana amamocha yekinekyo niyo kirachi kogenda gotegererwa sino kirachi gotegererwa chitariki 30 omutinyo yo asaba kagirwa abo bono bachire osebairwa asechera ya Kisii ase bono barachi koganya gochikogambirwa chitariki eche kerekine kirachi gotegererwa tutaranga ki mangana yuarenge ase kambero okya Nyamira.
Weeks. Nobody has threatened him.
Nekana Dennis Ondara, Dennis Ondara Clementi, Peter Njoroge Kirika, mmesakiwa mliua kinyume na sheria nambari 203 na vile inasomeka na 204 na maelezo ni kama ifuata. Mliua Grace Mongina Morema. Mstakiwa wa kwanza Dennis Ondara, ni ukweli ama si ukweli? Mstakiwa wa pili Dennis Ondara Clementi. Mstakiwa wa tatu Peter Njoroge Kirika.
Has been placed before me to show that the safety of the accused persons will be in jeopardy or will not be guaranteed in Kisii prison, and therefore direct that the accused persons be remanded at Kisii UK prison. This matter will be mentioned on 30th of May.
Most obliged.
Boyke karoto digareta se county ya Nyamira se kigambero kerigetene tebinto bitwetana inamo nechindemero nige kina kegendrete asenseme yanene kerige korerirwa igoro yorobebe rwensemeri ya keroka ekinekyo nigokere bosi bumuna chebi na senseme yo tetorara na kekine kegendrete gotegererwa asi chinsemo o kigendrete kurwa chiroboti chiabo.
Yes, that's the main. We also say yes. We're saying the court does not have a jurisdiction, and even this one is not even a petition. This is a self-seeking kind of filing in court. There are decisions to the lordship.
No, there are no decisions to the effect that it's a self-esteem petition. I think you ought to give the petitioner an apology because he's a Kenyan. He has the right to remove the court. Whatever he feels, even if his feelings are not agreeable to you, those are his strong feelings. He has a constituency. that he serves, and the members of his constituency have told him that they are offended, and he has decided not to take an axe against the offenders, but to move the court, because he's a gentleman. Now he has moved to the court, and then you are saying this is a self-seeking petition. Whether it's self-seeking or not, he has a right.
We are not denying.
He has a right. Even under article that
Ekerobo igoto tigarita sensemo yebigambiro nige kina kyomwana sagini oyo nyaritiga kuruswa maisa samatuka magega Kenya rage kugendera sekambiro kyomochi obosongo ase yasukiwe gochibosyo go igitarike 30 neyemo motionyo yigo gatano mwaka oyo iga ase keren chinsemo chionsi chirachiwikerana ase kambiro erikorwa oborori bwabo George Morara anoyomo bwabo gakiri ase kinekyo ogotwerera narari arenga siritukira lero anene igoro yekinekyo kyomwana sagini.
This matter started in December, and today we were in court for a mention to confirm filing of submissions. For the record, the matter was slated to be in court tomorrow on 26th, but due to some unavoidable challenges and reasons on the side of the councils that are representing both parties, we made an application to the court to push the mention one day earlier that we have been before the court today. Now, the court has given directions that the matter will come up for highlighting of submissions on the 31st of May 2023. Highlighting entails or means both parties of the case, the prosecution and the defense, bringing out the particulars and all the facts as per the case from the inception up to the time it has reached a stage of the completion of the defenses and the prosecutional case.
Efaktori ya itumbe ni gobono ya igoreire chigari Ibere chinya ijira chigokonya sobo sombia sekemeriye chae erikorobia obosombia sensemeyo eria baremi banyare bagokonya kagorwa sekemeri kyabo ekero erachigo ikase factory asechin se kurwa situndu bari na wikase factory asechinsa jechiwenerere elinde abari banyare bakonyo igasarigi yakoru sensemeyiga kwena kyayo no munyakiro bubwe factory eyo Dr. Apple Kenyoru banyareka dabuna bono factory eyo nigere asembero yo kwena kuna baremi bensemeyi ngokonya kabale nekemeri kyabo ngo bakonya kere ochasa matuko alebosyo
itumbe twatwarire chigari 10 chigosomba chikeani echaye itokonye korale factory wono ninde no bomaene terigo chikorara ngitugo kanire chaye terara egosaria equality echaye tokorosia eliegere echikoni Mombasa egende international market igona kiga kogera twarete chigari echibire tomente obosombi bobuya eliegere chaye ke factory
Ekaroto gosuka sio mosae bwimya kemeron kebere noyomo nigagendete konyoro bobwenia na kuronero bogima bwaye asinyagitarie yamo ime ya Kenya aya nigagoja magega yogotongiwa na banta sensemeyo ekera ekagire unanigo aibete eufa go sigentogiriye kobugi omosiki asamatanga yamo ase ensemeyo bagokwana nigo bono abasani na bairi baye bagikire gakorwe kyasibadiruna abo bamosambete nigo bairete richika soko boko kwabo maminja yerijiko asabaderuna ekera ibete nigo batakeire barangira banyanyimbo banyare bakumubwata tari bare kumosamba asebano bamutigirete chingoma chintindi asinge bakumukagirete unanigo aibete eufa ke korwe kyo nigo giakorekana sensemo yosase kinyoro gietono yegotoka sensemo ya machoge burabu asensemeri ya gucha sub county.
mpaka OCS negari abasikari bae twatema komakorera kumurigia finally tumonyoreti lakini bado talinga twatigera hivyo ntogendete kurigio mwana uyu na ndi tari erebie kari gukorera ibintu ebyuka mbare ng'abantu ange batatu lakini uyu neronyora majira ari iguru muno ndete goteba biega abananchi baminto bonse andonsi asore netaba gusiga abo machoge bora ne bandonsi bichikoria serikali ya Kenya ili goteba ngekero montaga osire aimukirigwa atua ya kisheria ogendo beke report olike statement orete warrant of arrest eba address dia somo chief go somo sub chief go community policing to kubwatero monto in a very direct manner lakini koimukio kwa kwao kusamba monto ni atua ni hatia katika sheria ya Kenya so ndete goteba biega mwana uria ntogendete kumurigia andonsi astura manyora na andonsi asemura amoromu muragete igo nabo mkobe gatura mangana ya buya ikiagara no nebiche ya ingo tumwire setiwe tafadhali abakenya baminto
tekero mutinyo gatano uri mutinyo uri ukurigire rigoro yabachenu anene manyakana na mental awareness month nigabone kiombe gya Treasury of Africa gekubatana na bisi yomubunge umajoge borabu obadia barongo litkurigoro banyarete bakurwa maigerigo cyasa bamenyi bensemeyo bunekerenge kemo kyuko baigeria nakibaranyare bagwetanga kurwa samaro irali akoretwa nebirengerero osasumurwe kanyamurura munyagedena mental illness
ora twara to chegaiga tukwanira mangana yelinde tutebya abantu bamanye kutwara umucando baryo bakoni bakoranga no korogo bana umutenyo yo gatano kero mwaka kugo mwaka o 1978 mental health ngukwanire asengencho yo korato bumagiwabo abantu banyore information yegerende abantu bakonyore umucando baryo bakoni nabatokora bakwebuse bamoyo banyara kuba bagukona
fundisa aya na yengencho mono nagere akeani abantu gweita nagere akeani abantu kobachi barimo nagere akeani abantu gutware birengereri nyumba nabo mukuomana asengenjo tabwati obumanyi nabora na cheki na kyo gweita egere gose no kore birengereri
nanyorira mafundisa mayamono ayintanya konyora linde kuruna ibure akara to koligere Kenya yabona siyekeire abantu abange nigo bakuna chakauli beita asengiyo gutanyora mafundisa
Omawasiri boborendi boime kiture kindiki ni garasi county ya Kilifi anekeranyarire gakuroro bohoti araliagendreta sensemeri ya Shakaura goikaboni gani gaderina bakagerwa 54 nigo banyarire bakubekubyara kubatekana na mangana aliagendeta gokorekana sensemeri ya Shakaura baigo ni aderune serikali yandeta kubekemurubiri ya bene kwenda kibuna uboya bibo tindi ngoenda bora sensemeyo asa deruna imebere menge na bikagerebuna nige kare asensemeyo ase umeruberio yogo tindo kore mebere egochikogendera ase ensemeyo ekere mebereri ya rusi wororo egende gochokoro mani na koligereria ningi kirete bagasiro abantu bagasiro mu bwabo asensemeyo ya Shakaura.
Now the total number and they have already been recovered and are part of the human remains that will be the subject of post-mortem examination. Sadly also, and taken to hospital for stabilization because they continued to resist eating.
Parabotir bonoj koronyora sinjira yobo ikiranu kerotonda da korobwate korwa senseme yo ya akrivye kerotos kabosyo ebunge nigobono ya bori wego chikomenda chibese utiase ekeombe kerikyo bachoriamo ne chimbebe iriko kole mirimo yabo buya go jasamatko halebosyo.
Most biggest problem is the other people are able to be paid through the budget lines, but legal bills, nobody takes care of them, and what happens is these guys go to court, they tax. Once they tax, those become decrees of the court. They are going to be enforced. This is why we are pointing out that IBC is going to be in the red soon if these lawyers descend on them. See what you are able to avail and just allocate the pending legal bills for these ones.
Household Fund, this financial year, Chair, has been budgeted for Kenya shillings 11 million and 10 million. And therefore, comparing that, actually we have a commitment of 50 billion. It still seems that actually we have not been able to.
Prime Cabinet Secretary bwense ya Kenya Musali Mudavadi nigaterune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigendete kubeke miroberio ya bene na kubwaterana n'ekinze kisiko irigo koro bukurumi asense ya Kenya kaukwana buri tukurigoro as county ya Mombasa chinga kikiranete asomusangano Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya ICBK ime ya Mombasa nigatena bwana serikali nigebegete miroberio yo gukora obukurumi.
Eradicating corruption is part of the reason government is seeking partnerships with professional bodies and the private sector to facilitate open government approach spearheaded by my office. This is why the government expects more from the accountants' role to facilitate open government. I therefore convey my commitment and extend the hand of partnership with you in this endeavor. But this offer has a caveat. You have to intensify high-quality corporate reporting that is important in cultivating transparency and protecting public resources.
Umugabana bwe county ya Kakamega oibo igorenga sege kalekyo asumu Prime Cabinet Secretary arenge Musali Mudavadi nigonera nyarire gakobori serikali enene gosira chi county tari ochirwani korengana nera nigateruna serikali enene nibwatekerenga kiwochikorusia ewisara yobojenwa chi county yatebrera jikurwania osera jiko keya obokorari weji county baigo nigaboretie serikali kubwatuka chibese ya si county iri obokorari bonyare bogokina abamenyi beji county banyare bagokina obokorari bwabo.
There is a systematic attempt by the national government to claw back on devolution, especially on matters healthcare. When you look at the framers of the constitution, healthcare is a devolved function. But when you look at what the national government is doing through the Ministry of Health, it is now engaging the union officials of the ministry. They now want to engage the community health volunteers, now called community health promoters directly. And yet primary healthcare is a devolved function. The National Treasury is also engaging, or rather the national government is also engaging directly development partners.
Ayo nararenga echinse Isano Ibere ikoraga Chinsa ikubushikanyora yamana mange banaendete wateka imena isikoyo Gusii no kuboli kwanagendera kubwatia Ndizi TV nero bwansumusi asimerubire ito ya kiralituke kyagera neretibye kote binali atekire nandana ya korekanire ime na isiko ya Gusii Auta nero ningasense meri umuntu w'umanyererio ekarabigari nyanchama twabwatera nere kwene kibana gochere wetera serio ya mone chivicha yo leta gocha sole ninje Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV.